Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to transfer Trust Wallet to another device. At first, log into your Trust Wallet and then we're going to go into settings, and from there we're going to click on wallets, and then whatever Trust Wallet you have, you're going to click on the three dots, and then once it pops up you're going to click on show recovery phrase, and from there it's going to show you whatever your recovery phrase is. You can either copy this or you can click on show QR if this is directly the other device is with you, or if you wanted to send it to another phone you can copy it, but for now we're going to click on show QR. So it's going to show us something like this. Now head over to the new account or the new device that you want it to be imported, and into wallet section we're going to click on this plus button, and from there we're going to click on this multi-coin wallet, and then it's going to ask us to either import the phrase and then whatever name you want to, or from this QR code you can scan the QR that we just copied, and there you go. It is gonna say that your wallet has been imported, and this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.